Hello everybody, today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Lifotronic HbA1c Reagent Kits HPLC system. Here we can see the brand name Lifotronic, the product HbA1c Reagent Kits HPLC components, eluent A 1 into 1000 ml, eluent B 1 into 500 ml, hemolytic agent L 1 into 2500 ml. The reference number of this kit is 0320201001. We can do 150 tests using this reagent kits. The manufacturing address here. This kit is manufacturing from Republic of China. So the origin of the kit is Republic of China. This is a C certified IVD product. This is an overall view of this product. Now I am going to unpack this for your reference. On the top we can see after opening we can see the packing section. Take this out. So I'm going to take the reagents. First take this can. And next one, eluent A, and next one, eluent B. So these are the reagents inside this kit. So this is eluent A, and this is eluent B, and this is hemolytic solution, hemolytic agent L. So I am going for one by one. Here we can see Lifotronic HbA1c Reagent Kits HPLC eluent A, volume of 1000 ml. So here we can see the lot number, manufacturing date, expiry date. It's a well packed, a closed seal pack. So the next one is Lifotronic HbA1c Reagent Kits HPLC eluent B. So this pack contains volume of 500 ml. Here also we can see the lot number, manufacturing date, expiry date, and manufacturing address. So this is eluent B. So A and B, and the final one is HbA1c Reagent Kits HPLC hemolytic agent L, volume of 2500 ml. Here also we can see the lot number, manufacturing date, expiry date. So the expiry date and manufacturing date are same for all three reagents. So this reagents contains one kit. So here we go for summary. Today we can see about HbA1c Reagent Kits Lifotronic. This kit contains eluent A, volume of 1000 ml, 1. Eluent B, volume of 500 ml, and finally hemolytic agent L, volume of 2500. This is the overall view of this kit. Thank you.